2000 2000 हाँ أيوة हाँ
فريجوس
हाँ
اوريجينال
أيوة انستا 360
شوف
हाँ
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله فريجوس
हाँ شكرا
عفوا انديا
لا من باكستان أنت من وين؟ ها؟
اسلام اباد
لا لاهور
لاهور
كيف تعرف اسلام اباد؟
ايش اسمه الثاني؟
फैसलाबाद हैदराबाद पेशावर
لا
कश्मीर
هو سمسم شوية صغير هو كلنا صديق أول
वाह
وين باكستان
تعرف تقريبا كل شيء
أيوة أنا صديق باكستاني 16 سنة باكستاني
اوه
هذا كمباني
هنا ما شاء الله محل كويس
الحمد لله
جيد جدا تشرفنا
ليش
Allah يسلمك. So I just came to this tea shop and check out the amazing vibes of this tea shop. Right now I'm going to my car and then I will drive to Muhammadiyah. Wow, let's test out this camera. They are doing some construction works over there, but our car is right over there. Insta 360 Go 3S is doing wonders. So it's time to go now. Let me put my bag and stuff. I hope it was not that loud. But here we are finally in our car. Oh, it is hot. Hi Changan. Hi Changan. Come on. Hi Changan. Hi Changan.
Good morning.
Turn on the AC please.
Okay, turning on front ORC for you.
Thank you, good job. Yeah. The door was not closed properly. Okay, it's time to go from here. So this is Changan Eado 2025. Let's see how the camera POV is coming. Okay, is it recording? Not sure, but well, it has to. Yeah, it's recording. These are the scenes. Oh, a new Haval car. Seemed like a four-wheeler. So now we are going on the northern ring road, but we'll be going to Muhammadiyah. No one coming from there. We will have to actually take the ramp. So here we go. I also need to put on my sunshades. Let me just bring them out of my shirt. Ooh, there we go. Some heavy traffic that we have to navigate. The speed limit of the road is 120. Okay, so from here we just need to move in here. Well, these are the scenes on a Saturday. There in the distance we have the King Abdullah Financial District. Mamnu ad-dukhul shahanat. So trucks cannot go over in that lane. Right now we are cruising through the city. Rarely you would find this Northern Ring Road this free, even if it's night, day, anything. But this is rare. Oh, there was a Jareer bookstore. I could have visited it. Okay, maybe later. I needed to actually get some casing for holding this camera. But no worries. I have done a full night work and I have to go back home and catch on some sleep. So now we got to take the exit. من هنا. We have a Koleos coming behind me. It's going to cross from here. Their new model is actually superb. I got to see it and well, this car is superb actually. We have to go from this exit. Look at the wondrous scenes of the King Abdullah financial district from the Northern Ring Road. Isn't it fascinating? Look at these buildings towering on us. Wow, what a scene. And if a train is going from over here, the Riyadh metro, it would be an even more satisfying scene, especially at night. Seems like they are going to make some more bridges over here. Well, the speed limit of this road is 100. Look at these buildings being made. Now we have to take the exit. Ministry of Industry and Mineral Resources. That's the building for the ministry. I wonder when this tower is gonna get completed, when this building will be finished. So now we are entering Muhammadiyah, and in a little bit I will end the video also. So these are the scenes. A very peaceful neighborhood it is, you see, and it's a Saturday. So well, you see the road is quite bumpy, but this would have given you a feel of how this Changan Eado is performing in this situation on bumpy roads. I would say the suspension is actually quite smooth, and I've noticed that if we go on eco mode, you see I'll get the car to go into eco mode, the suspension becomes even more soft. That's what I have noticed. And let's say if we go on sports, it gets a sort of more stiff, on the stiffer side, but still it's reasonable. But on eco it's like very buttery smooth. You see, now it's an eco. So okay everyone, now I will end the video with the Gardino Hotel directly in front of me. Have a very good day, night, whenever you are watching this. Stay blessed, and inshallah we shall meet again. I hope this video finds you in the best of health, wealth, love and happiness. Stay blessed. Bye bye.